How to make money with audiobooks is the title of this video. It's not clickbait, but we're just going to be answering your questions about audiobooks. Let's do this. Subscribe to the channel if you want to make money online.
Subscribe to the channel, bitch.
So, we're just two guys out here making videos, grinding, working on our goals. So if you can appreciate that, leave a like, please. Yes, hit that like button. Every video is just one piece of the puzzle, every time. Let's get into the questions. So last time we did like a frequently asked questions about audiobooks, but of course we didn't cover everything. So we asked you guys to ask all the questions that we didn't answer with the hashtag
TwinsACXFAQ.
So we got them here. How many questions are there? We got 18 questions.
18 questions.
Again, if you didn't put the hashtag in your comment, it's not in it. Because those are the rules.
That's how hashtag
works. That's how hashtags work. So,
shall we get started?
There are some repeating questions. We'll still say the person's name though.
Alright, shall we get started?
Let's get started. Let's get started. What's that from? Let's get started.
I don't know.
Okay. Question number 1. Bing! From Gillis Phlebas. Inches! How do you get reviews for ACX?
Yes.
Meaning, that doesn't really make sense, but we know what you mean.
Yeah, we know
your
you
reviews for ACX.
Yeah.
Your reviews for your audiobooks
that are on Audible.
that are on through ACX.
But
so
we get you.
That's what these ACX codes are for. Now, if you don't know what ACX codes are, they're this complimentary code that comes with every audiobook that you get 25 for the US market, 25 for the UK market. And you give a code to a customer, and then they're able to redeem your book for free. You should be using those to get reviews. Now, there's multiple ways to get reviews. In the course, we're going to cover many different ways. Not many. 3?
Yeah, I think 3.
I think 3. We got like 3 main ways. 1, you could do the VA way, which we wouldn't recommend. It's highly effective, but we would not recommend it. Okay? Then there's this website called Audiobook Boom. We're not going to go more into that because we'll be here fucking forever. And what's the third way? Plug it throughout your audiobook multiple times to leave a review. And once your book like ranks high and is selling, you get organic reviews. So they actually come a lot more organically in Audible than they do in KDP. I've noticed. I don't know why. But that's a nice thing. That's why you need a high quality audiobook. Question number 2 by our man, Sandaru Wan. He asks, well, first he says, super awesome video again. Thank
you,
millions.
Sandaru.
Yes. Can you explain how to do audiobook introductions? It's not wise to use the same intro in paperback. Yes, that is a phenomenal point. Something that most people don't think about. Take it away. Yeah, so when you get your book written by a ghostwriting company like eWriter Solutions, for example, who we recommend, use code TWINS10 for 10% off your first order, and TWINS5 for every order after that. Good. So when you order through a ghost company like that,
a ghost company.
Ooh. A ghost writing company like that, they're going to write it as if it's going to be purchased as an ebook.
Thank you for downloading this ebook.
Exactly. And
scratch that, take that out.
Exactly. So,
and include,
thank you for purchasing this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed it. Something along those lines. And like, honestly, there's no like science to it.
Yeah.
Other than just change it and make it applicable for an audiobook, targeted towards audiobook listeners compared to ebook readers.
It's good to add to your audiobook, but it's not going to make it take off and go to the moon.
Right.
Just
know
that it's not like the difference maker.
Now that I think about it, it's not something that we've really done before. We don't really change the introduction, make it for audiobooks. But going forward, we definitely will.
Thank you for pointing that out.
Yes, thank you, because that makes it a more enjoyable experience for the listener.
Question number 3 from Apocalyptic Wen,
my boy, man. How do you release an audiobook without a KDP or CreateSpace account? There's a myth that you can't get your book on ACX without a KDP or CreateSpace account.
But that's all it is. It's a myth.
Yeah, it's
not real.
I used to think that as well, but now there is a way. Now there's 2 websites.
So the first one is called Authors Republic. If you are an international person and you can't make an ACX account, what's great is they pay you through PayPal. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you're good. So that's one way, Authors Republic.
Yeah, and we actually have a phone call scheduled with Authors Republic today at 7 p.m.
Just talk biz.
Yeah.
Figure stuff out.
Yeah.
Get something together for the course.
I wrote out a list of questions for them. And if you don't know what it is, they're like a aggregate publisher.
Like Draft2 Digital for audiobooks?
Basically. So I'm asking them a bunch of questions. There they are.
Yeah, and Findaway Voices is another one. That's like an aggregate publisher who you could get on ACX without KDP. Part 2 of the question, what's the difference between a book made for Audible versus a normal book? You can take this one. Or you're going to be in the niches that favor audiobooks. For example, a self-help, business money. I'm not going to continue that because we have videos about it. Bam, look at that. Bam. You're going to want to make it a certain length. And that length is 3 hours. And how do you get 3 hours?
Right. Don't care about words, care about length as an audiobook.
Yeah, but to have it written, you need to look at words. So say like a 25,000 should get you around the 3 hour mark.
So I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, so no cookbooks, shit like that. All of this will be in the course. And let me say real quick, I won't rant too long. People's minds just go.
Anyway, next question.
Too advanced. Question number 4 from the main man, Roll Mop King. You're the best. How can you upload a book on ACX without having it on KDP or CreateSpace? We just answered that. Next question. Question number 5.
Question number 5.
From Nelly M.
I love you.
Is this a new person? No, come on. No, she's not new. She comments. It's a Nelly. How do you make your research to find great keywords for ACX? Are you looking Audible only or Amazon too?
We just did a video about that, actually.
Yep.
So I recommend you checking out the video. Otherwise, we'll be here for hours.
Yeah. So this is actually a two-parter as well.
Video's right here.
About writers, are you still using eWriter Solutions or Upwork? eWriter Solutions
Yes.
for life.
Yes, honestly.
For life.
For real. eWriter Solutions for life. Fuck Upwork. Fuck freelancers.
They got us here so far, so I mean, let's just keep going with it.
Yep.
Next question.
Thanks for the question.
Next question from Blackbase X. I thought it was Pure Luigi. Oh, I skipped one. Sorry. From Pure Luigi. I'm really sorry. I would never on purpose do that to you, Pure Luigi. How would you title a bundle of 3 books which are not so related? For example, let's say their title, Keto Diet, Paleo Diet, and Vegetarian Diet. How would you go with the bundle's title? First of all, those are very related.
That's like the perfect bundle combo.
Unrelated would be keto, programming, and like sex.
Investing.
Sex book.
Yeah.
Those would be unrelated.
These
are very related. So
the ultimate diet bundle.
Yeah, so bundles, like bundles are key. Bundles are lit, fam, which reminds me of something. Buy the merch. We just made t-shirts for fun. Put them on Merch by Amazon. Bundles are lit, fam. I guess it's our first merch. Something like that, I guess.
Yeah.
We're pricing them at the lowest.
I'm not trying to make money. It's just fun.
It's just for fun because, we want to support the bundles out there. So bundles are life, obviously. What you're going to want to do with your bundle is get all the keywords in your bundle in there, obviously. I mean, I guess that goes without saying. You're going to want to get keto, paleo, vegetarian all in there. Man, it's just such a long answer.
Yeah, well, briefly, so how'd you title it? Ultimate Diet Bundle, and then include those keywords?
Yeah.
Title briefly.
Yeah, but get even more keywords in there. You're going to have to use like the Audible auto suggestions to figure out how to word your title. The Audible auto suggestions search bar, if you know what I'm talking about, is like super epic. Like, it has the answers.
I hope that helps.
Yeah, I'm sorry, that was not the best answer.
Question number, I'm not sure. We're going to put it on the screen, but I lost count.
I'm pretty sure it's 7.
From Black Base X.
That's our friend Micah. Well, he's our friend from YouTube, from a subscriber. From being a subscriber, he's our friend.
Twins, ACX, FAQ. Would love to ask you something, but I already know all this stuff because of your last videos, and I don't want to go too deep in details. Hope for some nuggets in the course. That's his question.
Oh, great. That's not a question, but there will be nuggets in the course.
Why we're including it.
Okay, there will be nuggets in the course.
Super advanced shit. Next question.
Question number 8 from Martin. I love you.
Good man.
He says, that siren, love the humor and the good vibes. You guys are high on life. Yes, we are.
It's true.
Appreciate that
we don't
comment.
just act, like, seriously.
Yes, we
just
are.
want to say that.
But the question is putting the audiobook referral link into your Kindle version allowed/worth it? Is it allowed? I think so. We're not 100% sure yet. After this video, I'm going to send ACX an email, and I will give you the answer in the comment section.
Write a comment and then we'll respond to it. Just be like, hey, just checking in. Did you get an answer to my question?
And is it worth it? I honestly definitely think it's worth it.
Yeah.
I do think it's worth it. Put it in
if
there.
You get a random $75. Fuck yeah.
Question number 9
From Great Beard Tube.
Oh,
My boy!
I love you.
2 questions, 2-parter. How bright would you say the future of KDP/CreateSpace is compared to ACX?
Oh,
So compared to ACX, not as bright.
No, certainly not.
Not as bright. And CreateSpace is gonna.
That goes without
is
saying.
like gonna be nothing, right?
What? Oh yeah,
CreateSpace gonna,
yeah.
like-
I think I'm not 100% sure, but is like CreateSpace shutting down? So I think you might have to put your paperback books on KDP print going forward.
But
Don't
ebooks,
quote me on
audiobooks-
that. Don't quote me on it.
But ebooks and paperback books are still gonna be a thing. Like, don't worry about that.
Yeah, they're still gonna be a thing, but they do not and they will not make as much money as your audiobooks.
All right, question number 2. If I open a new ACX account using an email that is different different from my KDP/CreateSpace email, would it be possible to have my already existing paperback/ebook made into audiobooks on this new ACX account without having the audio version? This is a long question. Without having the audio version linked to the ebook and paperback in the same way. I don't even remember what the question is.
Same.
What's
Same.
The, what's the
It's-
question?
That was so long, I got lost.
Okay.
Yes, because
Yeah.
we've done that.
Yeah.
Yes, it is possible. So my KDP account and ACX account are actually 2 different emails.
Next question.
Thanks for the question, BeardTube.
Question number.
Number-
I'm not sure.
Question number 10, I think. Question number whatever's on the screen. From Keith Wheeler. Ugh. Keith is such an awesome guy. Oh, he actually has a YouTube channel too. And he makes videos about self-publishing and he's got some good shit on there. He's pretty funny too.
Check him out.
Yeah, check him out. Link in description. Definitely go subscribe. Keith's question is, where do you put in the keywords for audiobooks? You don't. There is no back-end keyword section.
It's just title and
But-
subtitle.
Yeah, so
But that's not.
that sounds like a bad thing, but it's actually a good thing. Your keyword ranking is completely weighted by your title and subtitle.
Maybe slightly by description as well, which you enter.
Yeah,
on
maybe a little
KDP.
bit description, but mainly it's title and subtitle. That pulls.
It just
so
simplifies
mu-
it, you
Yeah,
know?
it simplifies it. It pulls so much weight. Your title is super, super important.
Next question.
Question number 11. Do you do US and UK codes?
Yes.
Next question.
First of all, check the whip.
Ooh.
That's what we got rented for.
Yeah.
Our month here in Denmark.
Yeah.
Nice Volvo V40.
Guess how much it costs to rent this bad boy for 30 days?
Winner gets a free T-shirt. Whoever can guess.
Yeah,
gets a free T-shirt.
yeah.
I thought about that on the spot, but I love that idea.
Yeah, whoever can get the closest to the actual amount. Oh, and it's in Danish kroners.
Yeah.
You have to guess in Danish kroners. Whoever's closest gets either a Bundles or Lit Fam t-shirt.
I think that. I think
Yeah,
that.
yeah, you get a Bundles or Lit Fam t-shirt.
Okay.
Whoever's closest. Whoever gets closest wins a t-shirt. Let's see. Ooh, Sandaru Wan, you already asked a question, but you get more questions. Questions for everyone.
More airtime for you.
Exactly, that's what we
Good.
do. Who does that?
First of all, we like a lot of questions.
Yeah.
So this is thank you.
Yeah. Number 1, how do you do keyword research and finding niches in ACX? So you asked this question before we released a video about it. So yeah, I'd say go back and watch that video because I want to answer, but it's just so long, and this video is already probably really long. Question number 2, all home run niches on Kindle works better in ACX?
Generally.
Generally, yes.
Basically.
Yes.
Basically, yeah.
Everything like works better on ACX, and it's not like more sales, but more money, yes, because you're not making $2 royalties.
Next question.
Question number, I have no idea at this point.
My guess is 13.
Yeah,
My guess is
I think
13.
so as well.
Okay, so this is a long one. I might just put it on the screen instead of reading it out loud, but I'm going to read it out loud now.
By Mark Dragon. First of all,
Dragon.
sick name.
I
Second
hope
of all,
please be your real name.
second of all, I think that's his first comment on our channel, so he gets a new
New
commenter
commenter.
alert and a bunch of sirens. Hey guys, been following all your videos, and we've got 2 books being written at the moment based on your original KDP market research video.
Nice.
One of them is a programming book that won't work very well in ACX.
Still put it up,
That's
though.
a shame.
Still put it up.
So my question is the KDP market research method you gave no longer the way to go? Should I use your ACX research method coming in your next video for all future books to make sure they're relevant to ACX instead of ending up with more programming books that won't work KDP for not for ACX? So
yes.
going forward,
you should
yes.
always optimize your books for ACX.
Yeah, that's so
So yeah,
like I said-
it's a later discovery that we've recently made. We made
We're-
that video before ACX was popping the fuck off.
exactly.
Well, let me finish this comment. Keep the awesome videos coming. Thanks, dude. We will.
Dude, Mark Dragon, no, thank you for that comment. It makes me really happy. Question number 14, I believe, from Jen Carter. Hey, Jen. Do male or female narrators sell books better? I heard somewhere that more people prefer a male voice, but would love to know what you guys think. This is a great question. Can I answer it? Can I tell you what I think? Let me just say quick, it depends. I think whoever the target audience is the gender of the narrator you should go with.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, absolutely.
Next question. Question number, I'm not sure.
15.
Okay, from Anka Nicolay.
She said if we ever go to Romania, we have a place to stay.
Oh my god, that's so sweet. Hell yeah. So, this is another long one. I have a few questions, alright? What else besides the keywords and using the codes do you think got you the success with ACX?
So that's a big part of it. That is a big part of it.
Besides that, length. Let's say length of the audio.
Length and pumping out books and investing money and reinvesting that money.
Keep it brief, that.
Yeah,
Question
right?
number 2. Do you always give all your codes to the VA for reviews and ranking, or is there another way? There is another way. We covered it earlier in the video. Audiobook Boom.
Yeah. You guys will learn more about it later.
Can you do a video about the step-by-step process you throw in making an ACX book from research to the end? That would be a 8-hour-long video.
Well,
That's what the course is. That's the course.
yeah.
Which is going step-by-step process from beginning to end.
Yeah.
So yeah, we will. It'll
Yeah,
be a
we
course.
will be.
Number 4, long part question. How do you make a script for an audiobook? Can I just
That's hard to answer.
How do you make a script for
In the course, there will be a whole module about making your own audiobooks, which I think is going to be a game changer because I've made a lot of my own actually. Writing your own audiobooks is easier than writing your own ebooks. So I say this all the time. My biggest Kindle publishing W that I've ever had was a series of 5 audiobooks that I wrote myself. And I will be sharing exactly what it is in the course.
Last part question from Anka. For those of us living far away and not being able to make it to Cancun, will you have an offer for the ACX course? Yes, we will.
There will be.
Yes, there will be. Maybe the first 24 or 48 hours.
Oh,
There will be a really good discount. So, next question.
question number 16 from Rob Farrington.
Rob Farrington says some really good comments.
Yeah, Rob Farrington is the man. Like, I fuck with you heavy. As Mario Robertson would say, another subject. Who is this engaged with their subscribers and commenters?
No one.
Literally no one.
No one.
We appreciate you guys.
Alright, get the
So,
question.
questions. Hey guys, can't bloody wait for the course to come out. Either can we. It's gonna be
Same
fucking
here.
epic. Quick question. One of my best-selling books was blocked from my Kindle account. Oh no. A few months back due to a term in the title being trademarked. Yeah, that'll get you.
What was that term? If you write in the comments, I'm curious what that term was.
Yeah. You can't publish anymore, so it's not like it's stealing. Was it Weight Watchers, maybe?
Weight Watchers is like the best
Yeah.
keyword in the world. Anyway.
But is it worth uploading it to ACX, or would you just say it's a bit too risky?
Yeah,
Don't upload to ACX. Too risky.
Yeah.
But if you could somehow repurpose the title so that it does include this trademark term, then you should be good. But yeah, don't put it up as is. That is risky.
I've done it before. I've had books that had trademark terms, got it taken down, and I just removed the word and basically replaced it with another one throughout the whole book. So you can do that.
You can do that. Good question. Final question. I just realized this is number 17. I counted 18 before, so we fucked up somewhere.
Question from Gerald Confienza. Hopefully we will see you in Cancun.
But you don't comment much. You should
Yeah.
comment more. I think this might be one of your first comments. Comment more, Gerald.
So his question.
You're a cool guy. We'll probably meet you in Cancun. Hopefully.
This question is a hoot.
This is a hoot. This is a hooter question, guys.
Right. How to upload Audible file without having to make Kindle version first. Already answered it
Twice.
So yeah, there you go. That's it.
That is all the questions. That's my phone. Okay, nothing happened. Thanks for watching the video.
That was fun. I love Q&A. If you want more, then let us know.
This video is pretty long, so if you made it this far in the video, drop some robot emojis. Drop some robot emojis.
That purple
Ow. First of
Ow.
all, relax. Second of all, they're not purple.
They are purple.
No, they're not. It's gray.
Oh, we're
Look,
getting mixed up.
Look, it's clearly gray.
Okay. Well then here.
I mean, I can make it purple,
but look.
but it's gray.
But here's the one that I thought you were talking about. I thought you were talking about that one.
Oh.
Which I like that one.
Oh, that one. I still don't know which one you're talking about, even though I'm looking right at it.
This video's long enough. Can we just peace out?
Ooh.
See you in 2 days. In the next video, I mean.